The GMC Hummer EV is made for headlines, like 1,000 horsepower, near 10,000 pound weight, and absurd acceleration. After all, what other vehicle can you think of that combines 35-inch tires with T-tops? Excess is the Hummer's forte, and in many ways it's best to think of it like an exotic in the same way you might think of a McLaren or a Ferrari. Much like those supercars and true to its lineage, the Hummer is a remarkably inefficient vehicle. But it also makes you giggle as it nearly pulls a wheelie before snapping off a 3.3-second 60-mile-an-hour run. Rear-wheel steering also makes it remarkably maneuverable, especially in tight parking lots. And it went 290 real-world highway miles in our range test versus its 329-mile rating. The quality of the interior materials may be lacking for the price, which can stretch above 6 figures, and you better be prepared for the ride and handling experience that comes with a vehicle of this size and weight. GM will get around to building more reasonable electric trucks, but for now, this is a billboard pointed straight at the trucks gone wild crowd.